bickering in Team India as the TMC plans to skip the Congress party's Manipur protests. A Samajwadi Party Neta has now mocked the ally. In fact, has also taken a jab at Rahul Gandhi, saying man-child. That's a jab that has been taken, saying Rahul Gandhi is a 55-year-old who has the heart of a child. So the rift within the India bloc now becoming more and more apparent. There are open digs coming in. Remember, the TMC has openly said that they are not going to be a part of the Congress party's protest. The Congress party is protesting in the national capital. That protest is going to be taking place. And while that protest is going to be taking place, on the other hand, we have the Samajwadi Party that is openly taking a dig. In fact, IP Singh of the Samajwadi Party has taken a dig at Rahul Gandhi. He has also posted a picture while taking a man-child jibe. So IP Singh has taken to social media X and he has taken a dig at the Congress party. So are such insults and jibes becoming the open secret of the India bloc? That's the question, because IP Singh is the latest Samajwadi Party leader to take a dig at the Congress party. My colleague Sabyasachi joins us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, first the TMC making it clear we're not going to be part of your protest. And now we have the Samajwadi Party that's openly taking a dig at Rahul Gandhi.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, as per the Trinamool Congress sources, the Trinamool Congress have decided that they are not going to join the India bloc protest today at Jantar Mantar, which has been mainly convened by the Congress party. Now, on the other hand, IP Singh, leader of the Samajwadi Party, has also taken a dig at Mr. Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party, stating that Mr. Rahul Gandhi is adamant and he is not going to improve. Now, despite the people of the country and the opposition parties giving several chances to the Congress party and Mr. Rahul Gandhi, the performance could not be seen from the Congress party. And at the age of 55, he has the heart of a child. And like in 1989, where the opposition had to choose a different leader, and this time around the same is going to happen. So clear-cut message from the Samajwadi Party to the Congress leadership that a change is required as far as the India bloc is concerned, because this demand, once started by the Trinamool Congress, by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, is being retaliated by different other political parties of the India bloc, be it the Samajwadi Party, which have echoed the same demand like the Trinamool Congress. They have also said that the change in guard is very much required and the change in the leadership of the India bloc is much needed. And this particular demand also has been seconded, whether it is the Shiv Sena faction of the Uddhav Thackeray or the NCP or the Left Front. In fact, all of these political parties have demanded that it is high time that self-reflection of the Congress party is required after their performance in the by-polls as well as in the assembly polls in the state of Haryana and in the state of Maharashtra. In fact, the India bloc parties have also alleged that in Haryana and in Maharashtra, the Congress party have failed
yes, it's the loss in Haryana and Maharashtra that seem to have caused the Congress party all of this. Sabyasachi, I request you to stay with us because I want to show to our viewers what IP Singh, a very senior leader within the Samajwadi Party, has said about Rahul Gandhi. And remember, Samajwadi Party in alliance with the Congress Party in UP, but things have not been going too well. So IP Singh going on to say, and there's a picture of Rahul Gandhi that he has put out, and he says, इन्होंने जिद कर ली है कि ये अब नहीं सुधरेंगे. जनता ने, विपक्षी दलों ने बहुत अवसर दिया, इनमें नेतृत्व का घोर अभाव है. उम्र 55 की, so he is talking about Rahul Gandhi, says he is 55 years old, saying उम्र 55 की, Dil Bachpan Ka. So that's a dig that has been taken by IP Singh, a senior leader within the Samajwadi Party. So Sabyasachi, you know, this is what we've been seeing time and again, the Samajwadi Party as well as now the TMC openly coming out and questioning the leadership of Rahul Gandhi.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. If you talk about the Samajwadi Party, once again is had hit back at Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Before it was another leader of the Samajwadi who in fact said that it is high time that a change in leadership of the India bloc is required and Mamata Banerjee should be considered to lead the India bloc. Now, IP Singh has taken a dig at Mr. Rahul Gandhi, stating that time and again, whether it is the people of the country or the opposition parties have given enough opportunities to the Congress party and Mr. Rahul Gandhi